Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with the ORIGACH 10-piece 3D spiral flower cutting dies. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and creativity to your crafts, stay tuned because this might just be the best rolled paper flowers solution out there. These cutting dies are perfect for anyone passionate about scrapbooking, card making, or DIY projects. Let's explore what makes them so special. First off, the ORIGACH cutting dies come in a set of 10, with additional leaf designs included. They're made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and precise cutting every time. What sets these dies apart is their versatility. They work with most major die cutting machines and can cut through various materials like cardstock, felt, and even cotton cloth. This means whether you're making cards, decorating for a party, or creating personalized gifts, these dies are up for the task. Now, let's talk about the end result. These dies produce stunning 3D rolled flowers with a diameter of approximately 1.8 inches. Imagine the possibilities: beautiful handmade flowers that you can customize to suit any project or occasion. Crafting with these dies is a breeze. Simply cut out the shapes, roll them up using glue or adhesive dots, and voila! You have elegant paper flowers ready to adorn your creations. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your crafts. From scrapbook layouts to wedding decorations, these mini paper flowers can elevate any project. They're perfect for adding a touch of charm and sophistication. Priced affordably at $8.99, you can find these on Amazon with options for fast delivery. However, do note that international buyers may need to check for compatibility with local electrical standards. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your crafting projects to the next level, the ORIGACH 3D spiral flower cutting dies are a must-have. Their versatility, quality, and ease of use make them a standout choice for craft enthusiasts everywhere. That wraps up our review today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and crafting tips. Until next time, happy crafting from Product Critique.